Hello guys, may party pala tayo dito sa bahay. Ayan. Celebration ng birthday ni Peter at Christmas celebration na rin with friend. So meron kaming mga pa-exchange gift later. So ayan, hindi na ako nag-vlog nung nag-pre-prepare kasi masyadong matrabaho. Tinanggal ko yung carpet kasi madudumihan. So ayan guys. Ito lang yung handa natin. Beef stew. Ato sisig at saka chicken and igado. So ayan.
I put the heat in your room out.
Anyway, birthday celebration ni Peter guys. And we celebrate also Christmas together with friend na rin. Minsanan na. Kasi today is December 24. So bukas is Christmas. So they are coming. Nagdi-discussion yung dalawa doon. So ayan. So ayan. This is me. Hindi pa masyadong nakabihis. And Peter, you say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Kyle also. So ayan guys. Parating na sila. So, kaya nag-intro na ako. So, mamaya, tingnan natin kung makakapag-video tayo. So, ayan. Pinapainit ko pa yung ating igado. And then, anyway, videohan ko siya mamaya.
Hey, not start to...
Anyway, mayroon pa pala akong isda. Mayroon pang pansit. Pero, eto. Yung kaibigan ko daw yung magluluto. Kaya pagbigyan natin. And then, meron pa ako dito. Isda. So, ayan. So, marami na rin. I don't know, it's not working much.
This one is working.
Yeah.
Here is one. Here's okay, but here
Not yet.
you put full?
Yeah, I put already full.
No, not full.
Yeah. So, parang hindi na umiinit. Anyway, that is only the food make it warm. Yeah. First time ko kasing gamitin ito, guys. Yeah. So, kagabi ko pa nilagay yung igado dito. Pero parang hindi. Parang i-reheat ko ata siya. And then, yung
You can sit here.
chicken, binake ko siya sa reed pesto. Ayan.
You can talk to everybody.
And then, this is a sisig. Ayan. Kailangan maano din siya, pero hindi. Kasi hindi mainit masyado. So, ipapainit ko siya mamaya. I-reheat ko siya. Mamaya pa naman kayo mag-i-start. And then, dito yung, may lumpia pa pala guys. Dito ko ilalagay yung lumpia. And dito naman yung pansit. And then, may isda pa. So, marami na rin. May nakita akong car. So, yun. And then, mayroon din kaming buraw. Para sa mga Dutch. Yan. Yung drinks natin hindi pa dumarating. Kasi may magdadala ng drinks. Nakasiting pretty na yung mga walang ginawa. Napagod ako guys kasi ako lahat na prepare.
You can sleep.
Yeah.
Put TV.
Yeah, put TV on or music on. Yan.
TV. The children come.
Yeah, so bukas guys is Christmas na. Merry Christmas and happy birthday to Peter. I don't know what you want. So, magbibideo tayo ulit mamaya guys. Guys, God is good. Maraming tao. So, kakain na kami. Hello! Kait na.
Sarap talaga kumain.
Oh, sarap kumain. Bumili sila masyado. So, ayun.
Talagang pumunta.
So, kainan na kami guys. So, ayan. Oh, marami kami dumating. God is good.
Ito ba?
Yeah. Lagay mo na yan dyan. Yan na yan.
Humpty Monkey, Humpty Monkey, Shanghai.
Hippelpip! Hoera! Hippelpip! Hoera! Hippelpip! Hoera!
Ja, kijk. Ha-ho. Damen opgedronken worden hier, ha-ho. Damen opgedronken worden hier, ha-ho.
I cannot understand.
Opgedronken worden hier, ha-ho. En nu het woord aan Peter.
Ja. Toespraak.
Ja, toespraak. Nee, nee.
Dames mogen eerst.
Hoe jong?
Dames mogen.
Hoe jong ben je geworden?
I'm okay.
Moet ik het woord even voor je doen?
Wil jij zingen?
Nee, ik ga niet zo. Ik ga zeggen dat het goed. Dat je op je 51 jaar niet mag weten wat beleven. Ja, soms aardige mensen. Nee.
Waarschijnlijk allemaal 2 uur.
Ja.
Voor 57.
Lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. In the face, in the face.
Opening the gift. But the other gift, the rest you can open tomorrow and already
Morgen?
2 o'clock in the morning. Already, everyone going home already. Yeah. Wine also? Oh. Lahat ng nagbigay sa kanya wine. Yung alak na binigay sa kanya, ininom na namin. And that is also wine.
Is also wine?
I don't know. Oh, glass. Glass wine. Dami nating glass wine.
Ala, wala na. Hindi na ako makawag. Nag-live si ate eh.
Oh, boy. Oh,
4.
4.
Okay, that's good.
Very nice.
Yeah.
It's almost the same as that one.
Yeah.
So you have 4 more.
You still have one there. I don't know who gives that wine also. Everything is alak. Alcohol.
one?
Yeah.
I think Richard boy.
For you?
Yeah, because he didn't that one.
Oh, no, the other
No.
one in the plastic. I think
Oh, that one. I don't know.
I don't remember.
I don't know. That's nice.
Okay, but we have a lot already. Yeah.
That's good.
Okay. It's
You
good.
have wine
Yeah.
glasses.
Then Bim give you
The drink.
the butcher there.
There?
I don't know how much. Ito yung gift ko sa kanya, guys. Pero alam niyo na kung ano yan. Gablinag ko yan nung binalik ko. Pero, no. Saka ito. Someone give you.
Somebody give me.
Yeah, bunny.
Who?
Because they don't know what the Gemma.
Oh, they not say.
Who give you card?
Video kami niyan.
Bestie Peter. Who write down that one? Ivan?
Yeah.
So sweet.
I put that one there.
Naka-jacket pa siya guys kasi galing siya sa labas. Hinatid dyan yung mga guys. Yan. Dami naming basura. Pero yung iba naligpit na.
Also, Primera.
Primera.
I put that there.
How much is the Primera? How much?
You don't need to put on the camera.
Hundreds?
200.
Maybe 30 euro. 20 euro.
Oh, yeah.
20.
You are standing there. I don't read it.
Oh,
I just not good.
hindi niya alam. Nantok na ako guys. Good night. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Yan guys. Good morning. Magulo pa yung bahay namin. Ayan, may pa-flowers si Peter galing sa work niya.
Ang ganda naman. Ay mo yan.
Oo. Yan. Hindi ko na babasahin. Every time na may birthday, sa work nila, flowers ang binibigay. Sana all. Sa work ko wala. So, ayan. Higising ko lang, guys. So, ganito pa rin kagulo yung bahay. But, nililinis tayo ngayon. Parang wala lang. Nagising lang ako ng normal. Si Kyle kumakain kasi may work siya.